Another glorious day here, live at the command center, JW Solar USA. Sunday morning, just approximately 8 o'clock, and end of February 2022. This is the state of charge of the batteries we've been utilizing for the past days. Guys, the sun started coming up. We're coming to the spring, fast approaching the summer solstice, and we started making some power due to the orientation of my panels, and we started receiving the sun as much as we could now. And this is the battery state of charge. So this portable generator has done nothing but good job. So let me bring it to the charge controller. It's almost 100 watt. Oh, it just changed. You caught that on camera. And 100 watt. And we started pumping some power, 6.7 amps into the batteries. And guys, this build is something. Saw that? 101. And this machine has been working flawlessly with no complaint, no problem. With the sliding door, makes it just really interesting and smooth transition. So I kind of make a little bit at the end to be kind of stiff or harder, and so that it can be sliding if I trying to move this box, or maybe just I don't want it to be really loose. So I open up the ends here to get the kind of grip so that I can be, and you can see these little wires that came here. That's a 12 gauge wires. They head into the battery over there, which is the lithium polymer batteries. And here you can see there's a charge controller, and we are putting now 101 watt. So we're coming up for just the system. Here is the sensor right here to tell the temperature in the batteries. And there it is. It's saying 73, and in the house is 71. So that's the time. It's 8:14. And guys, we are charging. Believe it or not, we are charging. And this meter, someone mentioned or suggest that I should probably have this one, which is Cedric Green. If you don't want me call your name or mention you on this video because of that, I'm sorry, I apologize. But the reason having the monitor on the sliding here, that will just ruin probably the build here. I want people to see exactly what it is instead of like open the box. When you have like a solid box, you get to see all the display. I like the idea myself, but you know, sliding when you have this guy here and you have these wires dangling or tangling here all the time, it's gonna cause like a traffic on the sliding door from here. And if I decide to drill a hole on the side, the movement, the traction going back and forth like this, it might probably, like for example, if I put a hole right there, and I can put even a rubber seal, but just you're always gonna be having wires sticking just like this out here, because you have to leave a provision for the sliding, give a clearance, and I think it's not gonna be that kind of nice. But thanks for the opinion. I really want this. I'm sorry if you feel offended, but I just want to get things the way they're supposed to. This guy is not gonna stay here. Okay, this guy is just a test because I want to keep this guy. I have even the other meter, which is the advanced one, and the first ones before the BMKs and all this stuff came out. I forgot the name. There you go. This is what I was trying to say. The trimetric. I have it here. And when I bought it, I tried on one of my thing when I'm about to do the PIP 2424 LV with my install, and for some reason it's just the way it operates. I don't like the features. It's like, I don't know, maybe it was kind of new to me. I didn't even understand it well. I'm not used to it, but I saved it. It's brand new, and I only programmed that and put it away. But I still have that. I can able to use it. I saved it for future use, because it has a different functionality which you can press and hold for a while to you to see how many kilowatts or many amperage or whatever. I've seen the other trimetric, that the one for the RVs. This is the trimetric 2030A. So I still have that for big installs I'm gonna be doing in the near future with the homestead coming up. So I'm just trying to utilize the cheap and rookie Renogy that doesn't have much function compared to FlexNet DC, compared to BMK, which is for Magnum, and compared to Trimetric. This is just cheap compared to those other equipments I call the kind of expensive. Then you have the Whizbang Junior, which is very, 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 very useful. Small device, but outstanding performance. Keeps a lot of information. You can even go into the app and so on and so forth. So that's why I had this for probably trying to do some little tests and machines and whatever built, so I can have this guy the way I had this box for a very long time. Bought it from my most favorite store, and I was waiting someday I'm gonna utilize it exactly, and it fit perfectly, and now it's in use. Okay, I just mounted here. I can have the wire is a long wire. I can able to have this system somewhere and use this just like a thermostat. I can be in a very long distance. I don't have to go look at this machine, and it's telling me exactly what is happening here. The one thing I like about it, because it's telling you the watts coming in, and it's gonna tell you the amps you put it in and the amps taken out. The only thing you cannot tell how many kilowatts of power you generated for the day. You can't at all. So I have to rely on this guy here, which is the Midnight, the Kid, and this one tells me, and it keeps records for a long time, very close to a year. So I can able to go back and retrieve each day of the month or whatever the year. I can able to see because it numbers it. So guys, this is what it is, and I just want to give an update. And this guy, I can able to put the BMK, the Whizbang Junior on this, and everything's gonna work well. It's just a little circuit board, little one. And this one uses the BMK battery monitor kit, but the battery monitor kit doesn't work with this inverter here, because that's a 12 volts, the MMS 1012. So it doesn't work with it. It doesn't have the network. It's supposed to say network on the bottom there. It doesn't have that. So it's only for the advanced. But it has the advanced remote, which is the FAV, which I can able to use to program any of the inverters. And if I want to do a stacking, you need this one, not the MERC50. You have to have this one. It's a FAV that has the advanced features more, so you'll be able to link your PT100 as well. So I can able to remove these and put the standard one, but I was trying something different. That's why I had this one. They're all brand new stuff here. So with this build, it's just awesome. It's just outstanding. You can't beat that at all. You have the USB 3.0 with the PD, the fast charging, quick charge, fast charging. So it's your touch sense. You just touch it. It doesn't mean you have to squeeze it at all, push it in. It's a touch sense. You just touch it. If you felt your biometrics or your thumb, then it's just gonna read it and turn it on. So these are all the cool features I have on this guy here, and they even have handles. So yeah, you got a jump start, where you can put a jumper wires and do whatever. I want to add more features into this in the near future, but I'm totally done with this. This is the plan with a sliding door, transparent, translucent, and everything looks just beautiful. So guys, suggestions are always awesome, and I love the little systems. It has the AC output here that it can take 2 plugs, and I'm not that much. I'm really happy for what I did, and with this knob to help me slide, and yeah, everything is just beautiful. So guys, building these little systems makes me happy. And you see some little panels sitting right there. These are 7 point something volt, 7.5, and I can able to utilize it on my next build with one of these guys right here. These boxes I'm building, and the battery's on the way, and you guys gonna see the review on that pretty soon. And this one, when it's charging, is flickering like this, in and out. After a full charge, it will just stay lit on. Okay, and I think when night falls and it goes, sometimes it goes to sleep like this. So we bring in about 6.78 amps here, and the solar is giving us about 7.5, 112. So it's awesome. I really like the build. I enjoy building these little guys, and thanks for watching. I appreciate all you guys viewing my content. And I have this guy here. It's a big boy, and this one can do a whole bunch of stuff. Because of that, I'm still pending on this thing. We have the Mate 3, some breakers, breaker box here, there. That's the AC for RV, like shore power. That's just a little whatever I was gonna do, another project. But I'd like you guys comment and keep watching and share my videos live here at the command center of JW Solar USA. I wish you a happy Sunday and stay blessed. Bye for now.